The Lion Chaser. There was a washerman who had a donkey and a rooster. The rooster would perch on the window of the house, while the donkey would roam in the yard. The washerman would lead the donkey to the river with a big bundle of clothes tied to his back. When the donkey returned home, he would tell the rooster about the world outside. One day, a lion crept behind the fence of the yard. Just as he was about to pounce on the donkey, the rooster saw him and crowed so loudly that the lion got scared and ran away. The donkey saw the frightened lion and thought, "How funny! Let me chase the lion. The whole village will think that I am very brave." The donkey ran after the lion for some distance, but soon the lion turned around and pounced on him. Ignorance causes presumptions and results in ruin. Empty advice never helps. Once there was a boy who lived in a village. He was very fond of swimming. Every day he would go to a river along with his mother. Then he would go swimming while his mother sat on the river bank waiting for him. One day he went to the river alone. He was so engrossed while swimming that he swam too far. Then he realized that the current was sweeping him away. He was not able to swim against the tide. The boy saw a man standing on the river bank and he called out to him for help. The man said, "You are too young to be swimming alone. Why did you swim so far? Be careful next time." The boy shouted back, "Sir, please save me first. If you keep offering me advice without helping me, I will be drowned." It is useless to offer empty advice without helping someone. The Star Watcher. Once upon a time, there was an astronomer. He loved watching the movement of various stars and planets. He was so engrossed in his work that he forgot the world around him. One night, he was watching a star from his garden, but he did not get a good view since there were many trees nearby. So he decided to go to a field to get a better view. He took his telescope and walked out of his house. All the while, his eyes were on the sky. Suddenly, the astronomer slipped and he fell into a well. He screamed for help. A passerby heard his cries and went near the well. When he, astronomer, told him what had happened, the man pulled him out of the well and said, "Sir, it is good to follow the stars, but you should also have your feet firmly planted on the ground." The Angry Farmer. There was a farmer who had many acres of land. He also had many hens and a donkey in his yard. One day he was sitting on his cot, deep in thought. His wife asked him, "Dear husband, what is the matter?" The farmer said, "There's a fox who steals a chicken from our yard every day. Soon our coops will be empty if this continues. Sometime later, the farmer laid a trap for the fox. After a few days, the fox got caught in it. The farmer said, "I will teach you a lesson today." He then tied a piece of cloth to the fox's tail and set fire to it. As the fox tried to escape, he ran all over the farmyard and out onto the farmlands, burning all the crops as he went. The farmer was sorry for his deed. He promised never to lose his temper.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.